Hello again. Let's talk about how to select and control our fixtures. First, we need to select the fixtures we want to modify. I'm going to open up the programmer window. To select a single fixture, 1, enter. To add fixtures with the plus key, so plus 12, enter. To select a whole range, 1 through 12, enter. And to subtract fixtures, use the minus key, minus 5, enter, or minus 6, enter. Hog also has a nifty open-ended selection tool. 1 through enter automatically selects fixtures 1 through 12 because I don't have a fixture 13 in my file. And of course, clear will knock out all fixtures from my programmer. All right, let's talk about intensity. 1 through full, and all my lights are at full intensity. Intensity can be adjusted quickly with 10% increments. So for example, 1 through 6 at 4, enter, or 7 through 12 at 7, enter, brings the lights to 40% and 70%. Or one of my favorite tools, additive and proportional intensity. 1 through 12 at plus 10, enter, will add 10% intensity to my fixtures, and at /50 will cut their intensity in half, resulting in some fixtures being at 25% and other fixtures being at 40%. And of course, you could just use the programmer dashboard to select fixtures intensity from a palette. Let's take a look at other parameters via kinds and encoder wheels. Kinds can be found above the keypad. They are intensity, position, color, beam, effect, and time. With fixture selected, I can use these kind keys to dial up and adjust parameters. Some kind keys have multiple pages. By pressing the key multiple times, you will advance through the pages, and by holding down PIG, you will go backwards a page. Additionally, you could also just touch the page you want to go to. Now it's just a matter of selecting fixtures and adjusting the encoders to the value you desire. Keep in mind, only the fixtures that you select will actually take those changes. Shortcut time. Holding down PIG and moving the encoder wheel allows you fine control for getting just the right position or value that you're looking for. Holding period will set the fixture parameter to its default value. This also works with the physical kind keys as well. Or, one of my favorites, holding down the set key and spinning the encoder wheel allows you to do direct entry and type in exactly what you're looking for. Multiple points can also be used. Holding down the set key, spinning the encoder, and typing in a value range with the through key. 45 through -45, for example. And it spreads the fixture's pan values from +45 through to -45 degrees. Multiple points can also be used. Holding down set, spinning the hue encoder, 0 through 120 through 0, enter, spreads the fixtures between those three values. There are several more shortcuts that work with these encoder wheels, which I'll talk about in detail in future videos.